Are you thinking about launching a business, but unsure where to start? How can you really get to know your target market and make the right decisions with conviction? Don't worry. Today, in this video, we are sharing 20 market research companies that can help you start a business with market research business ideas. Number 1. Nielsen Holdings. Nielsen helps businesses improve consumer buying habits and media preferences. Its insights can help inform market strategies, product launches, and media planning. Number 2. Kantar Group. Kantar provides research on customer needs, branding, and market trends. It helps businesses make informed decisions about positioning and competitive strategies. Number 3. IQVIA. IQVIA supports businesses in the healthcare sector with data analytics, enabling them to improve product development, marketing, and patent engagement. Number 4. IPSOS. IPSOS helps businesses enhance customer experiences and brand performance through in-depth surveys and research studies. Number 5. GfK. GfK offers insights into market trends, helping businesses in retail, technology, and consumer goods tailor their products and marketing efforts. Number 6. IMS Health. IMS Health makes data available to pharmaceutical and healthcare business owners to help them maximize their operations by revealing trends in patents, how effective drugs are, and other factors. Number 7. Westat. Westat helps businesses in policies-driven sectors like education and healthcare by providing data-driven recommendations and program evaluations. Number 8. IRI. IRI offers insights services for retail and consumer goods companies, enabling sales trend forecasts and better form product placement. Number 9. NPD Group. NPD Group offers insights into retail trends that can help business owners hone their inventory management and understand consumer preferences. Number 10. Forrester Research. Forrester can help these business owners keep pace with technology while improving customer satisfaction with actionable digital transformation strategies. Number 11. Gartner. Gartner delivers the technology-related insights necessary for our clients to make the right decisions every day. Number 12. Synovate. Synovate focused on improving customer loyalty and on-brand strategy through target research. Number 13. Harris Interactive. Harris Interactive offers polling and public opinion analysis to guide marketing campaigns and improve product appeal. Number 14. J.D. Power and Associates. Known for customer satisfaction research, J.D. Power helps businesses improve product quality and customer service. Number 15. Comscore. Comscore specializes in media and advertising metrics, helping business owners understand their digital audience and maximize ad effectiveness. Number 16. YouGov. YouGov is offering the real-time consumer insights so the businesses can make timely decisions about choosing the right marketing for their product backlog. Number 17. Mintel. Mintel offers detailed market reports helping businesses identify growth opportunities and understand industry trends. Number 18. Euromonitor International. Insights from Euromonitor provide global market data and analysis that help businesses expand into international markets. Number 19. Wood Mackenzie. Focused on energy and natural resources, Wood Mackenzie offers insights that keep businesses with energy and natural resources sector optimized. And number 20. Frost & Sullivan. Frost & Sullivan is a growth strategy research firm that provides insight on market opportunities and effective innovation. At last, like, share, and subscribe to get more videos.